If you're looking for a smart way to ensure your wealth is protected for future generations, using gold IRAs for estate planning in family offices is one of the best strategies you can employ. Gold IRAs offer a unique way to safeguard your assets while preserving wealth for your heirs. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to incorporate them into your estate planning strategy to make sure your wealth continues to thrive, even after you're gone. Before we dive deeper, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description. Thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to shield their savings from market volatility and inflation. This free guide will walk you through exactly why and how you can take control of your wealth today. Now, let's talk about how gold IRAs are a perfect tool for estate planning within family offices. First, a gold IRA is a retirement account that holds precious metals like gold, silver, and platinum instead of traditional assets like stocks and bonds. Why is this ideal for estate planning? Because gold has historically outperformed paper currencies and is a tangible asset that holds intrinsic value. While stocks and bonds fluctuate with the market, gold tends to retain value, making it a safe haven for your heirs. One of the biggest benefits of using gold IRAs for estate planning is the protection against taxes and inflation. As your estate grows, so do the potential tax liabilities. Gold IRAs allow you to pass on wealth to your heirs without triggering immediate tax consequences that other assets might incur. Additionally, as the dollar loses purchasing power over time, gold's value often rises, meaning your family's legacy is more likely to remain intact. Another key factor is the ability to diversify. Family offices often have a broad range of investments from real estate to stocks, but gold can provide a hedge against market downturns. This diversification ensures that your family's wealth isn't all tied to the same volatile markets, especially important as you start planning for multi-generational wealth transfer. Gold also has unique features when it comes to inheritance. With a gold IRA, you can name beneficiaries, making it a smooth process for them to inherit your wealth. There's no need for a probate process, which is a major time and cost saver. This means that your heirs will have access to their inheritance faster and without the complications that can arise with other forms of estate assets, like real estate or equities. If you're thinking about other estate planning tools like life insurance or traditional investment accounts, those might seem like viable options. However, they come with their own drawbacks, such as market risk and hefty taxes. Gold IRAs, on the other hand, offer a much more stable option with fewer taxes and risks. It's also important to note that gold IRAs are incredibly flexible. Unlike traditional estate planning strategies that might require complex structures, a gold IRA can be easily set up and managed within a family office framework. Whether you're planning to allocate a portion of your savings or transfer all of it, gold IRAs fit seamlessly into various strategies designed to preserve your wealth for generations. I want to emphasize that if you're serious about protecting your wealth and ensuring a secure future for your family, getting involved in a gold IRA is a step in the right direction. And for American retirees with 100K or more in an IRA, 401K, or even up to 5 men plus in savings, this could be the perfect way to safeguard your legacy. If you want to learn more, don't forget to check the first link in the description for a free gold IRA consultation and guide. So, if you're looking to protect your family's future with a tangible asset that beats inflation, offers stability, and is easy to pass down, a gold IRA might be the solution you've been waiting for. It's time to think about long-term security, not just for today, but for the generations to come. Click the link, get the free guide, and start building a better legacy with a gold IRA.